Hello everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing an HDMI port replacement for PS5. Just a good thing we included deep cleaning because these units usually need it. Let's get that all cleaned up for you. We're also going to clean that up for you as well. Alright, doesn't appear to be any rip heads, so that is always a good sign. Didn't bring my third arm today. But of course. Should have my fume extractor on. Come on, there's like two of them that I don't want to take. Let's see if I come like that. There we go. Alright, and we are back in action. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe as well as smash that bell notification so you do not miss any new videos. Thanks again for tuning in.